Welcome to Soterion, the leading provider of business-centric GRC solutions. In this video, we will demonstrate the Continuous Controls Manager. Traditional SAP Access Risk Reporting highlights potential risks. In other words, the access risks based on the roles or the access assigned to the SAP users. Access risk reporting has evolved over the years to be more focused by identifying and highlighting risks based on the actual use. Soterion's Continuous Controls Manager enables organizations to identify risks where an SAP user has not only performed the conflicting functions, but has done so for the same document. This ability to continuously monitor materialized risk violations enables the organization to move from manual controls to an automated and alert-based approach. A common example would be a user that has created a purchase order and has also released the same purchase order. Identifying which SAP user who have performed the conflicting actions for the same document becomes the control to mitigate your risk exposure. To provide more focused reporting, Soterion's Continuous Control Manager allows the organization to configure the control for relevant fields and data, such as selecting only the purchasing document types that are associated with standard purchase orders, such as document type NB. This will then exclude all non-relevant purchase orders, such as internal stock transfers. Each occurrence of a materialized risk is flagged as a case in Soterion and sent via workflow to a risk owner. Each case will then be reviewed, and the case status will be updated. Further documentation can be linked to the case for audit purposes, such as follow-up dates, comments, or attaching associated files. By extensively scrutinizing the SAP transactional data, Soterion enables organizations to continuously monitor those access risks that have materialized, ensuring a more effective access risk management capability. Enhance your organization's access risk capability with Soterion's Continuous Controls Manager. For more information, contact us at info@soterion.com.